Have you been feeling anxious or drained? You're not alone. Many struggle with hidden emotional stress, especially in the kidneys, which are linked to fear. At West End Organics, we believe in holistic healing that nurtures both body and emotional energy. Let's explore how fear impacts your kidneys and how to restore your vitality. In both traditional Chinese medicine and energy medicine, kidneys are vital. They store your life force, known as Jing. They affect physical functions and regulate emotions like willpower and stability. Chronic fear can weaken kidney energy. This may lead to fatigue, lower back pain, anxiety, and overwhelm. Unaddressed, trapped fear disrupts your life energy, causing imbalances. Fear serves as a survival emotion, but when it becomes chronic, it creates energy freezes in your body. Signs your kidneys feel burdened include adrenal fatigue, panic attacks, and disconnection from your inner strength. To free this trapped emotional energy, consider healing practices. First, you can release trapped fears. At West End Organics, we provide sessions focused on a trapped emotion release, AO scan frequency therapy targeting kidneys, energy healing with vibrational music. Book your healing session today and restore your energy naturally. Next, nourish and strengthen your kidneys with simple lifestyle changes. Eat warming foods like black beans and bone broth. Stay hydrated with pure water. Engage in grounding exercises like Tai Chi. Practice gentle kidney massage daily. Explore our holistic programs to integrate emotional and energetic health. By healing fear in your kidneys, you reclaim your stability and courage. At West End Organics, we guide you toward natural healing, fully and fearlessly. Book your emotional healing session today. Fear affects your kidneys and energy. Ready to feel better? Heal holistically with West End Organics. Book your emotional healing session now at westendorganics.com.